we've arrived at the Louvre. Let's go in and spend a couple hours.
On our third day in Paris, we take a stroll through the Louvre. This site was once a fortress, turned royal residence, and finally museum during the French Revolution in 1793. This is the world's largest and most visited art museum. In 2018, they saw over 10.2 million visitors.
The museum is home to thousands of pieces, but the Venus de Milo is a specialty. Signature of the era, she stands with a classical counterpoise pose. Climbing up the grand staircase, I was taken aback by the world's most celebrated sculpture, the Winged Victory.
We saw masterpieces from Italian Renaissance artists Raphael and Da Vinci.
You too can go to the front of the line if you have a small, cute child. Maybe.
After taking in all of the artwork and sculptures, we walked to the royal apartments. It's pretty crazy to think that the top 4% got to live in these blinged out spaces while everyone else paid tons of taxes to support the nobility.
Sotos, table for 2, 3, 20, 40. Well, you get the point. It's sure nice to relax a little inside a museum's coffee shop after wandering all 5 different levels. They even have free cell phone charging cubbies for you to use before you leave.
So we spent 5 hours in the Louvre Museum. Not even sure we saw everything. There's tons of paintings, tons of sculptures. We saw things from Raphael, Da Vinci, Michelangelo, the Mona Lisa, of course. It's really, really cool. I would suggest everybody go and at least spend one whole day there.
Sainte Chapelle is literally a hidden gem inside what is now the Palace of Justice. If you're into visiting churches and cathedrals, you should not pass this one up.
There are 1,113 scenes depicted from Genesis to the resurrection. Hard to believe it only took 6 years to build.
Talk about being full of yourself. The king built the room upstairs so he and his entourage could worship privately. I don't think we're gonna need an umbrella with this beautiful day, so let's walk to a Parisian bakery.
Did you know that the baguette is now defined by French law and has a set price? Because of the French Revolution, the baguette is closely monitored by consumer associations so that everyone can afford their daily bread.
As you can see, this bakery has much more than daily bread. They are known for their macaron and pistachio financier.
What else do you eat in Paris? Middle Eastern food, of course.
This Latin Quarter bistro features a window-side shawarma that had my mouth watering for days. And let's not forget about the baklava, juicy and crunchy. Wait, what's happening?
All right, Becky, there's your ring.
See, I told you. What can I say? When you're right, you're right. Make sure you like and hit that subscribe button for more adventures.